Hello everyone, welcome back to C4 Cookbook. Today I am bringing you a classic South Indian style egg pepper fry. It is one of those comfort recipes that comes together in minutes, but the flavor is just amazing. Spicy, peppery and perfect with rice, chapathi, roti or even as a quick side dish. So without wasting time, let's quickly get into the recipe. First I am going to make a special pepper fry masala. For this, to a pan add 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 teaspoons of black peppercorns. Now roast all the spices well on low flame until the cumin and fennel seeds turn slightly darker in color. Now the spices are nicely roasted and the color has changed. Turn off the flame and let them cool completely on a plate. Once completely cooled, transfer them to a mixer jar and make a powder of it. So the pepper fry masala is ready. Now keep it aside. Now heat a tawa or a frying pan and add 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 6 boiled eggs to it. I have divided the eggs into 2 halves. Now sprinkle a pinch of salt, a pinch of turmeric powder and a pinch of black pepper powder over the eggs. Now cook the eggs on one side for 2 minutes on medium to high flame. Once the eggs are cooked on one side, carefully flip them and cook for another 2 minutes. Once the eggs are fried nicely, remove them to a plate and keep aside. To the same pan, add a tablespoon of oil. To this, add a pinch of cumin seeds and a pinch of fennel seeds. To this, add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic and few curry leaves. Now saute it on low flame for 2 minutes. To this, add 3 finely chopped onions. Now saute the onions on medium flame till they turn light golden brown. Now you can see the onions have turned light golden brown. To this, add 1 tablespoon of ginger, garlic and green chilli paste. Now saute it on low flame till the raw smell of ginger garlic goes away. To this, add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix well and cook for 1 to 2 minutes on low heat. At this stage, add prepared pepper fry masala powder along with some salt. Now mix it well on low heat. Next, I am adding a cup of hot water to it. Mix it well. Now close the lid and cook on low heat until the masala cooks well and oil comes out. Now you can see the consistency of the gravy. The masala has cooked well and has released oil. To this, add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 4 to 5 slit green chilies and few curry leaves. Give it a quick mix on low flame. Now add fried boiled eggs to the gravy. Now cook it on low flame for a minute. After 1 minute, flip all the eggs and cook for 1 more minute. So our South Indian style egg pepper fry is ready. Serve this hot with rice, roti, chapati or naan. Do try this recipe at home and let me know how it turned out. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with another simple homely recipe. Till then, bye.